How's it going? Chuck, Sound Survival Tactics, and this is a car emergency supply checklist that I put together. Hopefully help you be prepared for any unfortunate event that you might find yourself in when you're on a road trip or just driving in general. Recently, I was traveling to Eastern Washington and my engine died on me. I had the whole family in the car. Fortunately, we were prepared for a long road trip and we had snacks and blankets in the car. And in light of those unfortunate events, I wanted to put this list together for you. Basic things: first aid kit, bottled water, flare, reflective caution signs, walking shoes, gloves, hat, waterproof coat or wool coat. If you're wondering why a wool coat, the fibers in wool is naturally fire retardant. Reflective vest, wool blanket, spare tire with a functioning jack, cross lug, wrench, flashlight with batteries. I'm not sure if I already said that. And then on the bottom there, I've got some little items, extra items for a road trip. If you're traveling with kids, having some activities for them to do along the way is always a good thing. So, link in the description below where you can go download that. I'll tell you, the one thing that really saved us was having a AAA membership. Because we gave them a call and they were able to get to us in about an hour and towed the vehicle back to the nearest dealership. Fortunately, it was there in Yakima where we were driving to, so we weren't too far out of way of our destination. We broke down in the middle of nowhere and it was a winter storm going on. But like I said, it was real fortunate that we were able to have that AAA membership. And I'll leave a link to the description below if you want to go check out AAA if you've never heard of them. Just a roadside emergency company that you can give a quick call to if your car ever breaks down like it did for us, or even if you get your keys stuck in your car, or if you forget your keys in your car, they'll come and get that for you too. Once again, this is an emergency supply checklist. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can go check it out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see future videos, hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell when you're on YouTube, and you'll get notified of future videos as they come out. Take care, and we'll see you soon on the next one.